Right, I'm about to make my mask, and here I should get at least 40 masks out of this. So I'm going to now start from the back to keep the others together still. So I've got my interlining and my material. So these are the first. So here you can see I've overlocked it, and I really didn't need to do it at this stage. Some places, you notice I haven't done these because these are darts, right? So in order to get them exactly the same, I'm going to do that later. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch this bit here, and then what I have to make sure is that I get all the fabric in. So I'm going to go over a bit more and come up to here, and that is the nose.